Good morning, everyone. And today we're going to be doing some top to bottom analysis on gold, on XAU, USD. Usually, what we'll start out with is identifying our zones, which are support and resistance levels on higher time frames. Let's make this thicker. So this is a weekly zone. It's a weekly zone because you can easily see that support became resistance. Sorry, resistance became support at this level. Same with this level. So these are our weekly zones. Next is this. This is our all-time high. It's the highest point that price has gotten to in the most recent price action. So this is our all-time high. Followed by that, we have. Okay, but before we go to the daily time frame, although it's not a very clean trend line, I believe we can draw a trend line like this. Let's change the color. Let's make it black. This will now be our weekly trend line. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. What do we see? Positive correction and positive correction and positive correction. Price is loading up for a new impulsive move.
You're making a video or something?
Yeah, I'm making a video. What's up?
I'm gonna show you.
Sorry for that slight intermission. So where were we? Okay, yeah. So this is the daily time frame, and at the daily time frame, we usually identify our trend origin. But the more we zoom out, the more we see that this trend has been going on for quite a while. So let's just randomly highlight here as our trend origin, because the trend origin has actually been going on for significantly long. If I were to really go down to it, my trend origin should actually be. You can see that price just keeps going lower and lower and lower. So that means that this upward trend has been ongoing for a while. So this red box is probably the most appropriate place to place my trend origin. But there's no point in going so far back in time. So we have impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive. This is a correctional. So we're expecting a new impulsive. In fact, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my freaking goodness. No. This is wow. Okay, so this means that the correctional move has basically just ended, and the impulsive move has just started. That's what shit. And I had an opportunity to. Well, I've not been trading for the past few, so it's not that strange. So, from my estimation, this will go beyond. So this is my current estimation. There's a W pattern here on the daily time frame, mind you, and the higher the time frame, the more relevant the pattern is. So we have a W pattern on the daily time frame, meaning that we should be expecting a move like this. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, yes. Can you imagine? Maybe we should reduce our entry to somewhere like here. This is where our entry should be. That means that the minute the market opens, once it's midnight, I'm buying gold. Immediately the market opens, I'm buying gold. Because right now, price looks like it will either reach the all-time high or to break the all-time high. One of those two. Okay, so it's a W pattern here. So we're expecting a new impulsive move. We're expecting a new impulsive move on the daily time frame because there's a daily W here. Then we'll go down to the 1-hour time frame and see. You can see that there's a W here, and there was an opportunity to enter a trade at this point, which is very disappointing. Which is a little bit disappointing to me that I missed that entry. it would have looked something like this. This is what the trade should have looked like then. It would have been my full target would have been somewhere like here. Anyways, let's delete that. There's no. So what I'm thinking is impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive. So on the smaller 1 hour time frame, we wait for a correctional to probably here and take the trade here. So I will buy immediately, but if price comes down to this level, then I'll still buy again. So let's reset and switch to my 4 hour time frame. So this is what it should be looking like. Alright, that's it for top to bottom analysis on gold.